How to use the Magic Write feature in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the Magic Write or the AI writing feature in your Canva application. So this feature enables you to write for you. So for example, if you want to do some writing task or typing tasks, let's say if you want to write an application, you want to write some content, generate some thoughts or maybe quotes, then this is a pretty useful feature which will help you save a ton of time, and also you don't have to leave Canva and you can get it everything right here. So let me show you how to do this. So currently I have this random design open in my Canva, and let's say I want to add some text into this. And let's say the text is about an application that I want to be pasted here so that I can get leave from my work. So let's say it's a sick leave that I'm applying for. So in this case, I will be using the Canva AI or the Magic Write feature to write for me instead of me typing it or copying it from somewhere else. So let me show you how to do this. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is click onto this text tab over the left hand side. Once you will do this, you can see this option that says Magic Write. So this is our AI writing tool known as the Magic Write in Canva. So simply click onto this Magic Write, and here you can see that on the design it has opened this prompt and it says describe your writing task 5+ words. So let's give it a task of writing an application for sick leave. So here you can see I have given it a prompt to write an application for absence from work, citing health issues, sick leave for 3 days from today. So now let's click onto this generate button after you are done typing your prompt. Once you click onto this generate button, you can see that it has successfully generated this application here in this prompt. If you want to move it to the Canva design, you can simply click onto this insert button, and here you can see that this application has been successfully added into my Canva design. So that's how easily you can generate AI written content for your Canva designs in Canva application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. To tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comments. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such helpful and exciting video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.